Atakeshi mode anathi buya yangithola ngiseTakawela 2.
So
2 days.
You are where the attack is, or you survive?
Yes, I survived.
Tell us about the attack with Kwame.
Their first bomb. Amanya achaya kuTakawela 2 bekwazi ukuthi training camp. The enemy bachaya amanya achaya ku headquarters. They thinking ukuthi khona high command le kuzeni bakho. Central committee isikhona manje. But none of them were there. Abisachayana that very day ama-helicopters abuya because amalokuzana ayechaya esiyolokuza esiyothatha amabhombs elokuze eZimbabwe ephenduka ama-helis esala egombolezela engakabuya ama-helicopters kwaqala kwabuya eDakota ayehlisa ama-paratrooper. Right, sekunjalo ke amadodana sebuyile imgagawu document seyiphumile. Ya distributor ya ku OAU. Yanikwa futhi ku Liberation Committee. Yanikwa igovernment eTanzania le Frelimo. Imgagawu document yakhe yakhuluma khona lisinike nini ama weapons kambe siyokulwa. And then from the frontline state point of view, wahlala phansi Nyerere lo Kaunda lo Mashele lo president we but no Zanda cannot go there and fight alone. Fanele bahambe beze sile ANC umbrella kabahambe as a unity. Ama weapons azabe efikela ezandleni ze-ANC in Lusaka. Sekule lokuzini khona. Uthi khona if these weapons are coming straight ziya ku ANC umbrella elokuzini yakhona, some of these weapons can be easily taken to Rhodesia and given to Selous Scouts. So ongakuthi ngama-politicians la. Kwabe the meeting ema frontline states bakhuluma bese Dar es Salaam. It was in July, if I'm not mistaken, 75. But no. Asiboneni ukuthi khona amadoda laba uyafonywa izipha. Zimbabwe people bavumelana. Besavumelana khonapha amazandla that information babeselayo. Kwasuka ke uRex Nongo lo Soul Salza. Babuye eMozambique. That's the general mjureni mjolo. Bezo assessa isituation emankamba enyazijonya le Thembe. Ama-train personnel ekhona ngale. Lama recruits lama refugees sengenile. Lawo efela ngapha eZimbabwe siyengena ngale. From there bahamba bekhuluma le Frelimo government. Lingasivumela yini sibuye sizolokuza ngapha sivule ama-bases esenhlathi. I-Frelimo government ayizange itshengise ukuyala yathi yes lizabuya but lizabuya ezizipha. Izipha is still
ongoing.
Yeah. It's a proposal lapha ukuthi khona usiza happy nxa ngabuya ezizipha. Ngoba at the government level bese bekwazi. That yazofonywa ke izipha with 9 members from Zanla, 9 from Zipra. And then waba ngumcommander we that lokuzeni waba nguGeneral Mjuru. Deputized I think uDube, I should be Dube. And then ucommissariat yayelo Mangena. And then yehla ke njalo. Yasuka ke ilokuzeni khonapho ukuthi khona right ukuthi khona abantu laba sithi seba integrate. Let us have ama-instructors azasuke eMgagawu eMrogoro. Sibe labantu abavela eMrogoro bazakuya eMgagawu. eMgagawu kwabuya a platoon of 26 men ekhonyandwa ndoda abathiwa Bhuma. In that group kwakulama 2 officers. Kwakulo PV Swanda. Lo Chitambo, those were officers.
Yeah.
from Zipra. Abasuka eMgwagawu besiya eMorogoro kwahamba uGeneral Chimombe. Si remember lo baba uChiwenga, lo Major General Machingaidze, lo Brigadier General Kamsikiri, kwaba lama-comrades bahamba bayotrainela eMorogoro. Ukuthi khona sibone ukuthi abantu laba bahamba, kulabantu bahamba bayotrainela eMorogoro, ihlanganisa lama-Zipra. Kulama-comrades eZipra babuya bazohlanganiswa lamazana. Right. Kube sekuphuma-ke a-trained personnel from Zipra, le-trained personnel from ZANLA, ekuthiwa ihambe iyongena, ihambe eTanzania iyongena kuship ezabe ibathululela izabe ibayehlisela eBeira. That name of the ship yayithiwa nguMapinduzi. Sangena phakathi laphana igroup eyayisetraining. Sabuya. Sasuka ngale on a Tuesday, I still remember. Sayenza Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Safika Thursday, Friday. Safika Friday, I think. Ebusuku. Sashona siphakwe right in the middle of no, because we were armed. Sasilama weapons at pants.
Yeah.
Abas amanga ama-weapons ayisendaweni yawo. So sahlala khona ngale kwaze kwayotsha ntambama. Besa clear wathi sabe asazohambiswa endaweni ekuthiwa iDondo. Xa ungaphuma eBeira lapha driver usiza ngapha eChimoyo kule ndawo ekuthiwa iDondo, ikampa yamalokuzini yamafrelini sahlala khona. Right. Sekulamazipra eMgwagawu.
Yeah.
We're supposed to go under training. Sizama kwenza i-unit la yeZipra.
Yeah.
YeZipra. Kulama-comrades eZANLA aseMorogoro bakhona khona. Yibo abantu basala kwabe le-misunderstanding within ama-comrades eZipra baselokuzini abaseMgwagawu. Kwabe lokusala elokuzini lena ingasahambi kuhle.
So these are the guys who fought.
Which one?
The Mgwagawu guys, Zipra and ZANLA.
Yeah, ngoba bathi kwaba le problem okuyisela imibhobho eAmari. I don't know what happened khona ngabo mina sasisi.
Oh, it was food.
But I think it was something to do with weapons.
Yeah.
So you could have basala kwaba lokudubulana khona la eDisendland. But it was solved because igroup yabo ikakhwela labo PV bathi bese bebuyela Disendland. They didn't harm them. Labala mazandla babengale futhi lawo, they came back. And then labanye babutrain lawo babuya into day. So these are some of the lokuzini. And isikhathi sokubuya ngo-75 ulama activities amaningi because senjalo iZipra esideploy efront lemazandla. Abanye bagcina sebewila kuma-operational areas.
Yeah.
I still remember umuntu ngambona elokuzana uJavan Maseko. Wayekuzipha but lokuzeni lana 18. Lo Nikita Mangena. Lo bani futhi ngambonayo lokuzeni ngana. Sahlangana. Okay, lo lokuzeni. Wayengudoctor ngibalekela. Ekuthiwa siya ku-MDC indoda lena. So sebenze njalo izandla side decide siqalise impilo ama-commanders bebotshiwe leZambian government.
Yeah.
Kusho ukuthi kufakwe ama-junior commanders to take post ukuthi lokuzeni impi ephambili.
Yeah.
Irregardless ukuthi amaZipra sebuyele nto but kulamanye amaZipra basala kumazala but no uyaphambili sinjalo siyalwa sinjalo. Iko lapho kwavulwa iThete province bese kuvulwa le Gaza province. Right. Ama-British ngapha lama-Americans ngabona ukuthi khona iZipra belokuza lapha but ama-political lokuzini amakhosi laba they are now outside baphuma eJerome Gabe labonkomo.
Yeah.
yiko kwabuya ke indaba Geneva Conference. Mugabe is still a Secretary General.
Yeah.
So bakhuluma at their levels loba bunkomo. No, yes singahamba eGeneva but mina abantu bami ngihamba la basejele phela eZambia la. Ngolele bavulela kwaphuma. Bahamba utongo kana besiya eGeneva. Labo Nikita Mankene what have you. Labo bunkomo. Bahamba sibile eGeneva. Then amadoda lana ba release. Bathi sebe release bebepha ngapha eMozambique. Bathola amadoda lana bese commander labana bese kwakulawo ngenga yabo Elias Bondo labo Elias Bondo kulabo Jinase Machingura. That is when phela amadoda lana.
So the juniors now are in command.
My juniors they are in command because the seniors were
in jail. But the seniors are back.
The seniors are back. The juniors now, some of them are now saying, but the nasi rivera ngale finally apply. Aliya why ndo dakona wayikhuluma separating simi areas on that but the lava finally apply because the time they were commanding lokuzeni abantu bebenganingi like njengakathesi.
So we are now in control.
We are in control. Babuya madodana babuya bathi no, the right sibili hayi sabona kuzenza but asikhambe siyokhuluma indaba lesi sisebhayira amajini commander zawasale commander la kwahanje ebhayira lapha bese khuluma igala le Frelimo government that sifika singene elokuzeni conference room behlala kwathi right amabizo esizabiza lapha madoda laba liyaphuma lingene emoteni leya kwabizwa lana amajini commanders lana bayikhanya ukuthi they are now against leadership levelele kuze bathi bangene wahamba why they were nokuze because labana babebuye le slogan ekuthiwa bambirine bashandi basinezwiganana so uRex Nongo sebuza manje abanye abasejele sekathi manje asithi izigananda licho bani lezana zikona isitili bashandi because sihamba siyolo eFront siphenduka ikulabo abantu waqina ngathi kabazosisana this and that. Of course, lamanye ama-policies engisengenisiwe this and that abakhanya asihambe ikumadoda lana basuka babotshwa ke elokuzeni laphana ebhayira laba babengabotshwanga baphenduka babuya impi yakhontinue yaphambili injalo kodwa sekungena kubo Malta conference le and then izano lapha ayikabazana phiwe izalo lapha iyabona ukuthi khona silo umgabe lapha ngulokuzi uSecretary General ngazi besiyohlangana lo baba uNkomo sekule Patriotic Front kusho ukuthi is a junior.
Yeah.
But no wahlala bahamba bahlala phansi bayenza 9 days meeting eChumolo. That is when umgabe walokuzwa president weparty. In that meeting. That is when the current president, Secretary of State in the Secretary in the President's office, the current president. So, kwahamba kunjalo. Ama-attacks ayaphambili ngoba old igadi seyikhona.
Yeah.
Ama-attacks alokuzwa isiyaphambili. Thina were instructors by then. Abantu sasibatrain more. Some of them they are in the government. Wale senior post came through my hands. Vele kunjalo uthisha uyakufundisa esikolo.
Yeah.
Ubuyocina sewuphezulu kwalo. Ngothisha wangifundisa ku grade 1 no grade 2 kunjalo lokuzeni la. I-meeting seyenzwe leyana 9 days meeting, i-9 days lokuzeni umgabe sengu-president weparty. Ama-conference ayaphambili, i-Patriotic Front nayo sekulokuzeni. Kwaba lo Malta 1, Malta 2, wathi babonke ubaba uNkomo lo baba uMgabe. Ukuthi khona kwaze kwacina kwangena kulandela. Ama-attacks ayaphambili ngapha ayenzwa. Izipra la say full operational foot like that side. Imine operation engayenzayo, it was the second attack here enyatso elokuzeni eruda camp. First attack angihambanga. Second
iruda camp la yenga
uyabona kule isemanikalendi uyabona how can I put it? Nxa uvela enyanga uyadriver ngathi uya elokuzeni uya eMtari kule turn off yo left elokuzeni eruda kulapho kule ruda camp.
Yeah,
that's all the attack about, because in most cases I was doing instruction. Of course, the Manyama officers. Boss, why ku training? I want my instructors to have experience. Whatever in attack when any blows and every one, then I want them back. They continue their training. That is when I'm not happy. Of course, when you are humble, in that attack, I still remember what's going on. The person who was there, Baba Mujuru was there, General Mujuru was there, Chiwuru was there. Chiwuru was in charge of the recoilless rifle. It was why I specialized in that. And then Zimond was in charge of Manicaland province. So he was there. It was a successful attack in the island. Saya phambili sasa ungena kuma assembly point. Abantu abaselokuzeni abase ilangisa house yayisi in progress. That is iphela laphana. Thina kwakuphume imessage yokuthi we want ama-officers anje aye elokuzeni aye eMaputo, and then safika saba khona laphana saba yi-42 ama-officers ayekhona lapha, and then sa-addresswa nguJosiah Tongogara. It was now in December 23. Was it 23, 24? I can't remember, but those are the days. But I think that was address laphana. Kwabuya iplane yazosithwala isiletha ngapha elokuzeni ngoba saseyisikhathi sesisifaya. But iplane leyana first yaqala yayothatha amaZipra yabachiya elokuzeni eZimbabwe bahle baya e-university yabe yazothatha thina. In our group, ama-seniors esasilawo, General Mujuru was there, then Josiah Tungamirai, Mark Dube, Kenny Rizai, and the rest, Labo Jumbo.
yeah.
Comrade Jumbo was there, Takawira, 42. I have that number somewhere in my little book. But so we are sazolokuza sasihla laphana e-airport sahlangana kulo baba u-Innocent Kala. Wakhulumisana lo General Mujuru from there sahamba sayojoyina lamaZipra e-university lapha. Savuke ekuseni sisiya ku-brief eseyenzwa i-monitoring force kule police station duzane le-railways ngale nxa sisiyele ukuze kule laphana kule railway laphana ihamba phansi kwele ukuze kule police station iseduzane ngapha le. I can't remember the name. So lapha sayenze i-brief ukusaqaliswa from there sasiphuma laphana sasideploya sisiya kuma-assembly point. Sizama ukuthi sihlangabezane lama-comrades angene kuma-RVs, from them RV, and then waye kuma-assembly point, and then lokuza kunjani. Some of these things ngabe ngifuna so ukuza ama-questions so that I can.
Yeah, so you at some point just told, like said, this is how you end up in Zezani.
Yes, no, mina ngihamba ngeZezani. What happened is I was in charge lezizana. The kilo assembly point. That one was Juliet. Then this one was Brunner was Kilo.
Okay.
Mina ngangise lokuze kuthiwa indawo
Rio.
eRio Hotel.
Yeah.
Ngangihlala laphana ngakungaba anything move laphana ngangihamba nama British. Anglo Lieutenant Colonel Peter Field, he was in charge of that group. And his deputy was Major Douglas. They were from the Para Regiment, the British Army. So then what happened now, a kilo I can say value. A kilo by that time, ceasefire commission. The ceasefire commission, Leana was in charge of all our incidents. That assembly point whatever. So kilo is under the camp is the base like is under the camp the base there. So there was a no man's land paratla. And then Amarodians by sevens Amaselu scouts. We want to disturb these people. So we are the motorbike and Alim Quaquin, or very humble now. Or we are no man's land lapa. I would do la 3 sounds with Conde a basin in the Zan. I would do la peso in the but 2 days near some 6 is my locus and yes. Lavana Baba on standby, Sandra on standby. Is the brother on standby. Like our Bazanga exchange of fire. Then early in the morning, our commandants Nina to live. In a class to but I mean, Bobby's cox a tension there. But let us check as locus any sport. I want to love Bahamaja. And Kerkuspo, I want to allow what to play. What to what to Lama AK-47. What to Lama AK-47? So I landed 3 section from Zanla, section of that and me is poorly good at Hampijan, but the very still. Wahambale, Nansa spoon, not say William Poqueni, of Katimota Babueta. But Marcus, I want to learn about Namaselu Scouts. Of the child. Then that information, we are a Rio Hotel. Jim was in charge of that say Hamsa ceasefire commission. Ceasefire commission has a 30 decision. Let us close that same point. Why? Lapana is I think between 113 to 115 corner. Is that they were less with the 20 men. I think Amazon were 9 to 92 corner. Let us close this assembly point. All we say is ama omnibus buses abeyawa thwala lapha amazanda angena kwa ibhasi buses yawo amazipura bangena kuma buses yawo imontani force yayikhona lapha bahle baba escorta bahle bahamba la ofikele kuze then isizana yakhe yabantu abanjalo.
So maybe I take it back to Mozambique. You are an instructor in Mozambique.
Right, correct.
Which camp were you based in?
Right. Initially, I was based in a camp in Takawira 1.
Yeah.
Right. Sikala kuvuli base leana sathola kulo sivele eTanzania. Sathola kulo baba u retired Lieutenant General Unyambuya, the Deputy Speaker ku Senate.
Yeah.
Sabia savula lapha. What all the guards say will from jail sebelokuza. Abantu betakawera company etakawera base babethe besiyogijima ekuseni njengamanje babedlula phakathi kwe headquarters eChimoyo. So amakhosi ayethelele sasiwayenza inoise. Sakina sisuswa ke lapha ukuthi khona by then kwakuthiwa ngimapinduzi because sasebenzisa ibala leliyana eleship leliyana. Amakhosi bethu besibebile bathi no ayisoze mapundisi lalelo kuze isitakawira 1 sabe sinikwa elinye base outside ayithiwa itakawira 2 ikola sahamba sayolokuza I-attack yeshimodane yathi ibuya yangithola ngise-Takawera 2.
So
Bayenza 2 days.
you are where the attack is, or you survive?
Yes, I survived.
Tell us about the attack before.
Well, what happened on the 23rd of November 1977, around the 6:45, kwaqala kwabuya i-plane Dakota is very, but the plane, a civilian plane, vela eZimbabwe city. That noise yenzakala seyilapha yathi yabezwakala ama-jet fighters ahlala. Their first target was their first bomb. Amanye achaya kuTakawera 2 bekwazi ukuthi i-training camp. The enemy ukuthi bachaye amanye achaya ku-headquarters. They were thinking ukuthi khona i-high command lekuzeni bakhona. Central committee yayisikhona manje. But none of them were there. Babese Maputo in other place. Abantu babekhona i-members ze-general staff lama trustee commanders yobalwa impilo yabo. Sachayana that very day ama-helicopters abuya because amalokuzana ayechaya esiyothatha amabhombs elokuzeni eZimbabwe ephenduka. Ama-helis esala egombolezela. Engakabuya ama-helicopters kwaqala kwabuya iDakota yayehlisa ama-paratroopers. Bengakaqedisa kwehlisa ama-paratroopers ama-helicopters la sekhona seyechaya ilokuzeni yani i-director. Chanini so. Abantu balimalayo kakhulu ngabantu babese okuhlala bomama kulokuzeni. Ubhesela la kulabomama. And then of course trained personnel, yes, kulabalimalayo recently, but iningi labo lapho. That was ilokuzeni ama-Rhodesian. 23 silabo, 24 silabo.
2 days.
Bathi beqeda ku-24 lapha 25 bachaya ilokuzeni iThemwe ilokuzeni kumanika le ilokuzeni uThethe province. Bayenza njalo amadoda lawa. Yes, abantu balimala. I-trained personnel yaqasa ke ibale ukuthi sesivula amagate singaphuma lawo siqonde eShimoli. Then bayenza njalo, then abantu baphuma nabalokuzeni groups bahamba.
So like when you started, you told me about it, by the time you started Zambia, the language you don't understand, sure. How do you get used to the language and
right? Ishona abantu bangifundisayo definitely amadoda eTakawera company, I still salute them. Ngoba they were not lazy to tell me. I still recognize my friend uTkamsikiri by then wayengutedias man. Section esasima sonke wayemadusa mina. And then imbhede lapha lasilala khona wena eseduza. Umuntu wayezama ukungincedisa. Hayi lwana umntwana indodana ngiyamlokuza sibili I salute him. Umntwana nje ngikhuluma isishona. And again, if you are an instructor, ezinye izinto ziyakulokuza unosoloti. This is the language you have to use. Now I got used to the.
So eventually you are fluent in German.
Kakhulu. This time isishona ngiyasikhuluma sibili lapho nakancane. Sengisikhuluma sibili ukuzwaya ngila.
I've been Kalanga, I'm sure now when you're trying to speak this Kalanga, you end up speaking this one.
Yes. Lama ngikhuluma isiKhalanga esekhaya, I sometimes pick 1 or 2 words esisona hlohlela phakathi lapha. Phela abantu basekhaya phela ulebele kashishona
phela. But I got no time ulebele kashishona. Athi siKhalanga nje.
Hayi ulebele kashishona phela hayi. So yeah, but these days I'm okay. As still a problem like my early days.
So as ceasefire comes, there's integration. Where do you go?
Right. I was appointed a liaison officer. A liaison officer. Right. Let me go back. Ceasefire. Ceasefire kwakule amadoda abe azozimisa impi lawana ama-British because I think there were five countries, five. Kwakule Fiji, the Kenya, the Australia, the New Zealand, the Britain. Baletha amasotsha angu 1,300. But they were rank heavy, meaning that there were more officers
than ordinary.
Because why? Wabenza la khona yibo abantu abasebenza ama-diplomatic negotiations lama-guerrillas this and that. I-ceasefire la nxa siku-ceasefire lapha asisebenzisa i-ceasefire commission, right? I-ceasefire commission yathatha isikhathi esifitshane, and then yathi iphela i-ceasefire commission, that group of people, they formed a joint high command.
Okay.
That is when the training started. And I was again appointed a liaison officer. I was based in Gweru, where officers were trained, officers and senior NSOs. And senior NSOs were trained at Guinea Fowl. Now I created the training yabo, the officers. From the Zipra side, I was with the late Lieutenant Colonel Eddie Skoke. Battalion. Integration yathi seyiphelile lana then ngabe sihamba ke bengiposta ngisiya ku2 brigade as officer commanding headquarters command major. From there ngayigcina sengisuka khonapha ngiya ku 152 battalion ekhonyandwa nguSigoge, ngafika ngaba ngudeputy wakhe. Ngasuka khonapha futhi again sengisiya uSigugu wahle wasala wayesemposta kwi-AG school. Ngabuya le battalion liyana ngabuya la eSlovenia, acting commander, acting CO, commanding officer. And then bazongilethela umajor wakuthiwa nguNowenza Chando. Bazongilethela Chando ngesikhathi nguNowenza is now late. Kwagcina sekubuya uLieutenant Colonel. Mina bathi ngibengipostela e51 eSishabane. Anzange ngihlale kakhulu, ngasuka laphana futhi ngapostela ngabe eLuwelini. Ngaba ngu-OC headquarters company, ngasuka laphana ngagcina sengisiya e1 brigade board of inquiry. Ngasuka laphana ngaya ku12 battalion what do you call this? eWange. From there ngaya United Nations ngingu-observer eUNAFIM 3, United Nations verification team number 3 eAngola. Ngaphenduka sabuya futhi saya ku-operation siya eDRC. Ngathi ngiphenduka ngapromote ngangu-lieutenant colonel, then promotion yami yakhwela zanga-brigadier general ngabe ngiseretire.
Yeah, so that has been what people call an illustrious career. so maybe my last question is, looking back at your career, what do you think were your high points? What the Alapa I really did well, and what do you think were your low points?
Say it again.
Where did you enjoy the most in this journey?
In fact, I would say I enjoyed the most the time I became a lieutenant colonel. What are my advantages and what?
Yeah.
Yes, disadvantages here, but if you're an officer, you don't have problem now here. Yes, nice is cut so that is when you crack your head. How do I plan this? How do I do this and that? But otherwise, my career was quite okay.
Yeah.
When I was left with something like 2 or 3 years or so, no, for 5 years, I was attached to Ministry of Agriculture eMhlahlandlela. Ayise ngisebenza lo baba kuthiwa bathiwa Bhuba kuthiwa nguNdoda bani wangu-provincial agri-tax officer, ngasebenza la kakhulu. And then sadistribute inkomo sinika abantu lapho ngathola ezami, unganika abanye inkomo ngale ukuthatha ezabo. Lapho ngahle ngathi lapha yikho lapho ngathola ezami ezingu-10 ngesikhathi zekhaya. Ngathi zi-under Martin North wayethiwa nguNyoni. Ngashaya i-paperwork yakhona yafika eGwanda yabuya ngathatha inkomo zami ngesikhathi zekhaya. ama-Brahman amilawo sibili this year ngiyabona kuzele eziwu-10. So I'm quite happy ukuthi khona serving in the Zimbabwe National Army yangivusisa ngento eziningi. Again, from a leadership point of view, we learn a lot, and from the Ministry of Agriculture, like so I'm quite happy.
Yeah, on that happy note, I think we'll end here. Today we're talking to retired Brigadier General Edgar Dube, Lord Spanda, although he told us that he had quite a number of names, but he ended up settling for Lord Spanda, and he tells us the story liberation. And if you know, again, anyone that you think they have a story to tell, please get in touch with us, because the idea is to tell the story of the liberation struggle as we prepare for independence and heroes and many other things. It is important that we document this history. I keep on wanting to say Span. But what do you say about your story? And thank you very much.
Sure, babe.
Yeah.
Thank you.